In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your Google Cloud account. First, open your preferred browser. Then, search for Google Cloud in the search bar. Open the first Google link that appears by left-clicking. Next, left-click the Start for Free button located in the middle of the page. This will take you to a new tab. Now choose your preferred Google account by using the Switch Account option next to your default account. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu by left-clicking. Press Agree and Continue. On the next page, choose your payment profile or add a new payment profile. Then, input your bank card credentials right below the payment profile menu and press Submit. Now, this will take you to a new window for payment verification. On the next page, you can select your Google Cloud plan.